Hello friends! Today I'm going to talk about a powerful AI video generator tool called Runway ML. With this tool, you can create image to video, text to video, and even video to video. Not only that, you can also convert your videos into animations. Before diving in, let's take a look at a few videos where I've created something amazing using this tool. I'm sure you've noticed how stunning and realistic the videos created with this tool can be. But friends, the features of this tool are so vast that it's impossible to cover everything in just one video. So I've decided to create small, focused videos on each topic. In today's video, we'll explore text-to-video generation. A quick introduction about Runway. Runway ML currently offers three main models: Gen 2, Gen 3 Alpha Turbo, and Gen 3 Alpha. Out of these, Gen 3 Alpha is the most updated and capable of creating highly realistic videos. Let's check out some video samples created using Gen 3 Alpha. Did you see that? Gen 3 Alpha can generate incredibly realistic videos. Now, let's get back to today's topic. You can generate videos in Runway using two methods: simple prompt and advanced prompt. A simple prompt lets you create videos with just one or two lines of description. For example, a dog energetically runs across a grassy field, playfully darting from the left side of the frame, its tail wagging and ears flopping as it bounds toward the center. Let's see what kind of video this prompt creates. In advanced prompts, you can give detailed instructions like camera style, lighting, movement speed, and more. For example, a dog with a content and joyful demeanor runs across a grassy field in the soft morning light, casting gentle shadows. The camera flows smoothly in a tracking shot, closely following the dog to maintain focus on its playful movements, capturing its wagging tail and flopping ears as it bounds through the frame. Let's see how this advanced prompt performs. As you can see, we created a beautiful video by simply adding a few instructions to our basic prompt. Okay guys, today's video covered the basics of the Runway text-to-video feature, but this tool can do so much more. In our next video, we'll discuss how to create FPV shots or first-person view shorts. If you want to watch that video, click on the I button above or check out the link in the description box. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel so that you get notified as soon as the next video is published. Thank you, and see you in the next video.